him from the yard.
This is Don the Diecast Pirate. Today I have for you this Porsche for Andrew at Maple Leaf Customs, his 2-year anniversary of his YouTube channel. So let's throw this thing up on the turntable and take a look at it. Alright, so we're starting with this 1996 Porsche Carrera. And the whole idea behind this build is you build any Porsche you want, build it any style you want, and when we're done with it, give it away. So that's what we're gonna do. Last year I did that green one. It went all the way to England when I gave it away. But let's get this thing taken apart and see what we're working with. Alright, so we got this thing drilled, and let's take it apart and see what we have here. That one's coming. That one's coming. So here's the base. Definitely gonna do a wheel swap on this, so we'll just rip those suckers right out of there. And then we have the interior. It's a brand new car. I'm probably it's got that dark glass. I don't know that we'll do a color change on the interior. Maybe we'll just detail it the way it is, clean it up. And then the glass. And woo! Dropping things. All right, let's take a look here. I'm thinking that we've got these molded in lines there. The windows are closed. It'd be really awesome to open those up, but I don't know that I want to because I can't hide the cut lines like I did on that other, what one was it? Oh, the 4-door muscle car, where I was able to hide the cuts behind the posts, the A pillar and the B pillar. I don't have that option on this car. Then we'll get these posts prepped and drilled, and we'll go ahead and get this to the stripper, get things cleaned up, and then we'll be back for the next step. Alright, so here we are, and this was a brand new car, but I wanted to just go ahead and clean them just to make sure there's no like oils and residues left on them. But the body is practically 100% paint removal. There's still a few spots, but you know, that's loose. It just didn't. No, that's not loose. You can't even see it, just a little bit right there. But you can see on these modern castings how the Zamac flows, and they're not zinc plated. But we'll give it a buff and polish and see how it comes out. And I am working on dropping stuff. I am working on zinc plating. So I'm thinking like that one I did last year was an aqua Spectraflame. I'm thinking I want to go Spectraflame again, but I haven't decided yet for sure, and I haven't decided what wheels I'm going to put on it. So we'll come back to that when it's time. Alright, let's see what we can do with the flits. And after. So we'll take this and get it degreased and ready for paint. So a few weeks ago I decided to look up gold chrome, and I found these on Amazon, and I forget what I paid for them. There's a 2mm, there's a 1mm, and the 0.7mm. Now, directions are to, before use, shake with cap, shake well with cap, with nib up, press on nib to release internal pressure. To right, press nib down until ink flows. Okay, and I'll say this, if you get these and you go to shake them, now they come with the plastic on them. If you shake it, make sure you keep your thumb on that cap. Even with this cap fully pushed on, shaking it, the cap will fly off. I found that out the hard way. My daughter and I just spent several minutes looking for this cap. So, released it. Now, and I'm hoping this is going to be similar to the Molotow, but it's a gold. So I decided to do this stuff inside here with the gold. Alright, so there's that. I think we should do these speakers in the gold too. There that is. And then I think we should do the details on the bottom of this as well. Doesn't seem to be as shiny as the Molotow can be, but it works just the same. Okay, and I think I want to do this in the gold as well. I haven't really decided on a color for the body yet. So we're going to do this side in the 0.7. Alright, and then it says store horizontally. I think we're going to switch to the 1mm. I'll need to, that's easy enough. Get this plastic off of here. That looks so much bigger. We'll see what it looks like. Hold the cap. Oh. All right. think we're going to switch back to the 0.7 for the back end of this. Okay. It seems to be... There we go. Cat hair was stuck on that. I'm not going to do the gas tank in the gold. We'll just leave that black, I believe. I don't think that is gas tank. I think that's just like the bottom floor pan. Be a huge gas tank if it was. I don't know how much of this is going to show, but there you have it, guys. Gold chrome. If you haven't heard about this anywhere else, tell people you heard it from me. Alright. We'll get that body out here and get it ready for paint. Okay, so I'm going to try something different on this one. Now, I was going to go with Spectraflame just like I did with the one last year. That's why I polished it. But then I decided with the gold highlights to go black. So I'm going to use this Boulevard Gloss Black from SC Redlines, Second Chance Redlines. Vince over there. Yeah, he's got a great variety of paints. And then since I don't have any hardener activator from him, I'm going to use the stuff from the Redline shop. And I also want to reduce it. This is not a Spectraflame, this is a gloss black, but I kind of want to see if I can reduce it down and hopefully get an more opaque color, or translucent, more along the lines of a Spectraflame, but maybe it'll be a black candy. I think it might work really well over the polished body, but we'll see. So, as I said, I've never done this before, but we're going to give it a shot. And don't ask me what the ratios are, because I'm going to do what makes sense. I think I'm going to throw some reducer in first, and then I'll add the black to it and mix it and see what it looks like. So, alright. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to present to you a Porsche in somewhat of a Spectraflame black. I'm not exactly happy with the finish because I had to handle it too much. I'm thinking the reducer I added was too much and the paint feels tacky still. I may let it sit for a few days, take it back apart, and put a clear coat over the whole thing. See if that helps. Alright, so we're starting with this 1996 Porsche Carrera. And the whole idea behind this build is you build any Porsche you want, build it any style you want, and when we're done with it, give it away. So, alright, so as this is coming around, we have the black paint. I went Molotow on the headlights and then the gold on the turn signals in the front. These are SoMo wheels, and I went ahead and pulled those rubber tires off and put the gold around the outside of the rims as well. The red is on the taillight is a red Sharpie as always. I put the gold on the door handles. Just really tried to keep the whole theme together. So there it is. Andrew, happy anniversary for your 2nd year of your YouTube channel. Look forward to the next year. Alright, so just real quick, wanted to show you that I got this. Jay, he sent a bunch of these out to Jay over at Jay's Diecast. What am I thinking? Jay's Diecast Creations, and he had the Pink Slips Challenge the other week, and yeah, so this came with that, and that's going to be it for now. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below. Ring that bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I'll see you next time. Oh, be sure to check out all the other builds. There's a hashtag in the description. Look for that hashtag, and you'll find all the videos. Bye.